In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide frames in Miro. If you're familiar with Miro, you know it's a fantastic tool for collaboration and visual project management, but sometimes the workspace can get a bit cluttered. Hiding frames can help you keep things organized and focus on exactly what you need. Let's walk through the process together step by step. First, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and navigate to Miro.com. Once you've arrived at the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the login button. This will direct you to the login page where you need to enter your credentials. If you already have a Miro account, you can sign in using your email, or for convenience, you might prefer to sign in with your Google account. If you're signing in with an email, make sure it's the account that's associated with the boards you want to work on. So once you've entered your email, click on Continue with Email. Miro will process your login information and direct you to your dashboard. This is where all your boards are displayed. Take a moment to locate the board where you want to hide frames. You can easily find it by scrolling through or using the search function if you have many boards. Now that you've found your specific board, go ahead and click on it. This will open the board and you'll see all your elements and frames laid out. To begin hiding frames, you need to click on the frame you wish to hide. Simply navigate your cursor to the frame and click to select it. Once selected, you'll notice that a small toolbar or menu appears, usually around or near the frame. On this toolbar there should be an eye icon, quite similar to the icons used in many applications to toggle visibility. Go ahead and click on this eye icon. When you do, the frame you've selected will become hidden from view. This can be particularly useful if you're working on a project with multiple frames and you want to focus on one specific area without the distraction of others. And there you have it, you've successfully hidden a frame in Miro. Remember, this doesn't delete the frame, it merely makes it invisible for now. You can always bring it back into view by repeating the same steps and clicking on the eye icon again. This feature can be a huge time saver when organizing your workspace and keeping your focus sharp on particular tasks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enriches your Miro experience. Feel free to revisit these instructions anytime you need a little refresher. Thanks for watching and happy crafting on your boards.